everyone, my name is Akash Dixit. Today is 1 October 2021. So today we discuss about the interface. Firstly, what is the interface in a Java? So the interface in a Java is a blue screen of the class. It can have the static content and the abstraction method. So the interface in a Java is a mechanism that can achieve the that can use to achieve the abstractions method. But in a Java, only abstraction method that can be considered as a instance interface. So, but the but the but not the method not the method of body can use to the achieve the abstractions and the multiple interface. On the other words, we can say that the interface can have the abstractions method and variable. It cannot be have the method of the body. So the Java interface can also provide the relationship, like is a relationship can be is provided by the interface in a Java, and it can be instant like a abstract class. So so we can discuss about the Java 8. Since in Java 8 we can achieve the we can in a Java 8 we can have the default and the static method in a interface, but in a Java 9 we can have the private method in a interface. Then what is the use of interface in our Java program? So there are three reasons. There are three reasons is for the use. There are three reasons behind it, because first is the interface can use to achieve the abstractions, and second is the interface can use to achieve the loose coupling, and with the help of interface support we can support the functionality of the multiple interface. Then next is how declare the interface in our Java programming. Firstly, interface can declare as a declare with the interface keyword. That keyword can provide the abstraction in our programming. So the interface can in a interface all the methods are is a public. It can be merged, and the static final method is also a public. With the help of it can declare with the help of the default. It means that the static private and public static final method can declare as a default with the help of the compiler in a programming. So it can be declared as a default, and it can be used with the public method. So next is it means also in a interface all the methods is must have the public have a public. In a interface we can declare all the methods with the empty body as a public and the final and static method as are also considered as a public with the help of default. So the class of the Java, it can be implements the interface, and it must have to implement the methods present in a interface. It can be also implemented by the class. In other words, it means that the class can implement the interface. It can also implement the method present in a method present in a interface. So the syntax of the interface is firstly the interface, then the interface name in curly bracket, the declare the constants fields, then the declare the abstraction method and default, and curly bracket is closed. The firstly the compiler can add the static and default keyword before the interface data, and it can be also add the public keyword before the data member. So we can consider the two class. Then class can be extract with the class the class A can be extract the class 1. We can declare a two interface. The first interface can extract the second interface, but we consider the one class and one interface. But that time the class can be implement the interface, and it can be also implement the methods are present in a interface by the class. So we can discuss the some example of interface. We can flip the light switch in our home, but light can be immediately on, but we cannot thinking about why light can be how wide light can be on. But in a object oriented programming language, the interface can provide a description about the object of the functionality, how they can be work in the order of the x. So thank you.